Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on the device. So to get started, we'll need to power off the device, and you can do that by pulling down the notification panel and selecting the power key right here, selecting power off, and simply wait for the device to shut off now. And once the device is off, you then want to hold power key and volume up. So let's start right now, both of those keys at the same time. And when you see the Galaxy logo, you can let go. And as you can see, we should now be in recovery mode. So in this mode, you will use volume keys to navigate. Volume down goes down and volume up goes up. And you want to use them to select wipe cache partition right here and confirm it with power key. And then again, confirm that process by selecting yes the same way. And it's a fairly quick process, so basically already finished, cache wipe complete at the bottom, and reboot system now is selected by default, so press power key to reboot the device and go back to Android. Let me put on a pin, and we're back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.